Everyone is talking about the return the Ashes to Ashes and these statements ozenzayo so far.
Sure.
Okay, so you guys have made a merger kunye naManinja.
Sure.
Yeah. Recently, I think it was on Friday or Saturday when you've announced on Facebook bangaba you are no longer working with Maninja. Asange ke sabanayo I-report ekuqaleni.
Sure.
Yeah, esixelelayo bangaba you guys are now working together, and yet sivela sesifumana report ukuba you are not working together.
Sure.
Can you walk us through how merger between wena naManinja is ngayo?
Oh, it's not really a matter of, firstly, let me take that one away. There was no announcement between Uba when it started.
Yes.
There was an announcement. Maybe it was not a proper or a clear one.
Okay.
Before the one Andy announced we are no longer working together now. A day before or a few days before, I think in fact during the week, Good Friday.
Yes.
I made the announcement. Yokubana uTuske as individual uzobe AP during Ama Easters.
Yeah.
I announced Ashes will be playing Esomhlolo at 1 o'clock on Friday. I announced uTuske will be coaching Extension 2 on Friday at 3 o'clock.
Yes.
I announced Tuske will be at Polar Park on Saturday 10 o'clock. So now if you put your dots together, you'll get the answer. If feature be city Extension 2 3 o'clock ngaManinja.
Yes.
But I announced 3 o'clock I'll be coaching at the Extension 2.
Okay.
That one is clear, but I'll be coaching ngaManinja.
Yeah.
But there were no questions about that one.
Okay.
So I think some people they knew already because there was a tournament Ebise Polar Park before Easters, top 8.
Yes.
Where it was Ashes naManinja in one team. We played that tournament up until to the final. So now when I made that announcement, people they already saw in that tournament all right. Okay, now let me take you through what happened, how did we came to agreement. Now we are having collusion. Is it collusion?
Yeah.
Collusion between.
No, Mara, before that.
Okay.
Iqale nini le match le between lamateam ayi?
Okay.
Yeah, njengoba bese izophela during Easter. Yeah.
Iqale just practically. When I'm saying practical, I mean ubana ibonakale. Iqale just 2 weeks before Good Friday.
Okay.
But in ngokuthethisana ubasibonisana this is what we want to do. It's been happening. Iqale kudala le.
Yeah.
I think last year uNkalakatha uNdlela, which is I believe I will say the football manager yaManinja, kudala lokho approach Tuske sondela ngoba mina ngihlala ndingekho, let's work together kuManinja and by that time is when I was on the break, so I was not interested kakhulu ngoba kaloku bendisasithathe break. So now even ndizobuya breaking ndibuya ngeback door sensiza kuManinja, it was not going to be fair to me and nasebantwini ababelievayo when it comes to football. I wanted to come back properly, then ndiyenze lo collusion yam naManinja ndibe ndibuyile.
Yeah.
You can understand. Yeah. So what I wanted to do first is to announce ukuthi Ashes is back, ndiyenze come back nge-Ashes, then ke ngoku siyenze lonto esiyenzayo naManinja ndibe ndibuyile, so that whatever happens it must be clear I have my own team.